Hello everyone, welcome back to uGenesys, and in today's video, I am excited to share this morning's trading profits with you, and our approach involved leveraging the power of artificial intelligence through our currency strength meter, and this innovative tool offers a significant advantage, sparing you the struggle of manually selecting a suitable currency pair from the extensive range of 28 options, and instead, it identifies and highlights the currently active trading pairs that hold the greatest potential for maximizing profits. And the tool arranges these currency pairs in a ranking ranging from number 1 being the strongest all the way down to number 8 being the weakest. And the neural network at this point actively engages in machine learning, processing data to precisely determine the most favorable currency pairs for trading. And within this segment, you'll notice that the algorithm assigns values of 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the recommended currency pairs. And it's important to note that different brokers might utilize varying prefixes or suffixes alongside their currency pairs, or some might not use any of them at all. And in such cases, it's crucial to verify this information. And if your broker employs a prefix or a suffix, you can conveniently enter the details in these properties sections. And alternatively, if no such additions are used, you can simply leave these fields empty. And moreover, this tool boasts an alert feature. This feature sends out notifications whenever a new currency pair rises to the top rank for trading suitability. And you can turn the alerts off by leaving this value at 0, or you can turn them on by putting the value at 1. And there you can see we have an alert. And during our morning trades, USD Swiss emerged as one of the highly recommended currency pairs. And now let's take a look at the impressive profits that we made. So you can see the individual profits, and here's the total. We made a grand total of $219.46. And so to get our currency strength meter, you can click on the link in the description. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.